Good day, children. Wish you all happy Independence Day. August 15th, Independence Day in India. India's Independence Day on August 15th commemorates the end of British rule in 1947. In India, Independence Day is celebrated by the people of all religions, cultures, and traditions with great joy and happiness. Independence Day in India is observed on 15th of August every year from 1947 as our country became independent on the same day from the power of British rule almost after 200 years of slavery. The Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag at the Red Fort in New Delhi. A big celebration event is organized by the Government of India at the Rajpath India Gate in the national capital, New Delhi, where people of all religions, culture, and tradition gather to listen the patriotic speech of our Prime Minister. By celebrating this event, we commemorate those all great people who had sacrificed their lives and loved ones in making India an independent country.
Our school national flag being hoisted by Dr. A. Radhamani, Trustee Sri Shakti Educational Institutions.
Salute the national flag. Flag salute. Order.
Everyone, I am Rashmi from Madhya School for Excellence. Freedom in mind, faith in words, pride in our heart, memories in our soul. Let us salute our nation on this day. Happy Independence Day.
Lakhs of people will join together to celebrate Independence Day as well as the Republic Day. Now, let us see the interesting facts about India. Water on the moon was discovered by India. A floating post office is in India. India has the largest postal network in the world with over 1,55,015 post offices.
I am Yashwan Prashad. I am studying 4th standard of Adaya School for Excellence. Self-reliant, self-supporting, self-sufficient. That's the India of our dream. Let's pledge and make it happen. Happy Independence Day.
Kumbh Mela gathering visible from space. The largest human gathering in the history of the world, the Maha Kumbh Mela, a spiritual event held every 144 years in northern India. The 2011 Kumbh Mela was the largest gathering of people with over 75 million pilgrims. The gathering was so huge that the crowd was visible from space. The festival is expected to attract 70 million people to a scared location on the Ganges River, 15 km from Allahabad, for more than a month of bathing rituals. We can see the gathering of the people.
My name is Siddesh. I am studying in 2nd standard Adaya School for Excellence. Work together towards path of development. Happy Independence Day. Thank you.
Wettest inhabited place in the world. Masuran, a village on the Khasi Hills, Meghalaya, receives the highest recorded average rainfall in the world. The place that records the highest rainfall on the earth is Mizoram, located in Meghalaya, India. Siribunji, also a part of Meghalaya, holds the record for the most rainfall in the calendar year of 1861. See the village of Mizoram.
Everyone, my name is Roshni. I am studying in 4th standard. Freedom of opinions gives the right to vote, forward thought, freely so always think, positivity. Wish you all a happy Independence Day.
The highest cricket ground in the world is in Himachal Pradesh. We can see the highest cricket ground in the world is in Himachal Pradesh. The first rocket in India was transported on a cycle. The first rocket was so light and small that it was transported on a bicycle to the Tumba launching station in Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala.
Let us remember the golden heritage of our country and feel proud to be a part of India. Wish you all happy Independence Day. Thank you.
The human calculator Shakuntala Devi was given this title after she demonstrated the calculation of two 13-digit numbers which were picked at random. She answered correctly within 28 seconds. Science Day in Switzerland is dedicated to ex-Indian President APJ Abdul Kalam. The father of India's missile program had visited Switzerland back in 2006. Upon his arrival, Switzerland declared May 26th as Science Day.
Hello everyone, my name is P. Muskan. I am studying 5th standard. A thoughtful mind with its seats a nation. These seats not the flag but the nation itself. Wish you all a happy Independence Day. Thank you.
Rabindranath Tagore is credited not only for writing the Indian national anthem Jana Gana Mana, but also the Bangladeshi national anthem Amar Sonar Bangla as well. He was offered knighthood by the British but refused the honor after the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Banu Attaya was the first Indian to get an Oscar. She won the award for the best costume designer for Richard Attenborough's film Gandhi in 1982.
My name is Deepak. I am studying in 5th standard. Every citizen of India must remember that he is an Indian and he had every right in this country, but with certain duties. Wish you all happy Independence Day. Thank
Do you know the children? 70% of all the world's spices come from India.
I am Deepika. I am studying 7th standard of Adya's School for Excellence. Thousands laid down their lives so our country can celebrate this day. Never forget their sacrifice. Wish you all a happy Independence Day.
Dear children, we are able to see few interesting facts in this slide, but many more things are there about India. So, on this Independence Day, let's take a pledge that we will become responsible and good citizens of our country and make every effort to make it the best in the world. Jai Hind, proud to be an Indian.